Alright, so last time, what we ended up doing is writing a little simulation for the board game Modern Art, which is basically a bidding game with various rules. And now I want to get some summary statistics about who won how many times. So right now this just runs one game, so that's one game here, where it looks like player 3 won by 40-ish dollars. But I want to run, say, 100 games or 1,000 games and get some stats about who won the most. I kind of want to output this as a CSV and then just play around with it in something like R. R Studio is apparently kind of annoying to install on Geeks, so, or not install, but run. So I'm installing R and a couple of packages over here. I don't know if it'll be easy to use. We'll see how that goes. We may end up having to write it in Odin directly. But the reason I want to output CSV is because then I can write another stats program in some other language, and I love using new programming languages. So also I need to write a stats program for something else unrelated, but that is unrelated. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is this. Give my strategies some names. Random. Okay, and the next thing is we're going to play a bunch of games. We might... The thing is, I might try to use the logger here. So this is currently all just writing the standard out. I might want to put that in a log file so I can look at it if I need to, but the output is the CSV of who won. Alright, so I think I'm going to try that. So we'll go Odin context, I think. I think it's just context logger. I think it's just context logger. Maybe we can search for that. Okay. Recent. Okay, know what I want. Okay, console logo, not really what I want. Alright, we're just gonna start programming. Let's make play game, I guess. This is play round. So we'll go play game. I don't think this needs anything. We just want to do this. Oh, it should have a config. That's fair. And I think we'll just take this. Maybe strats as well. We might take all of that. Put that there. And I think we will take a config, which I think is config, and strats, which is strategy. We should have left that behind. Conf strats. I'll take that. Put that back there. Play game. Strats. Mart conf strats, like that. Alright. And so what we want to do is We'll start with 20, I guess. I don't know. And at the end of every game, we want to do what? I guess the thing is we want to be collecting statistics along the way. So right now what we're doing is we're logging everything to stand it out. But I guess everything that we're logging is a potential event that we should be registering. But right now I don't think we care about that. We can deal with that later. So right now I just want to know who won. What's the easiest way to figure that out? I think the easiest way is just to go through the players and see how much money they have. Alright, like what we did here, where we just went through every player and just printed how much money they have. I think that's the easiest way to do it. So we can just go for p in state.players. So we'll go winner equals 0, and I kind of want to know the second place as well. I wonder if we can just sort them easily with a custom sort function. Just sort by dollars, because that'd be easy. We go sort. Okay, we can probably do that. Okay. Bubble sort, what a classic. Do we have just like a good one? Heap sort, that's okay. Merge sort, that's fine. Okay, we can do that. Yeah, alright. And what does this do? This changes it in place. Because I don't think our player array has their ID. No, it does have their ID. That's fine. Okay, we can do that. So let's get rid of this. And let's go sort.merge sort proc. And we'll sort p.players. We'll probably need... No, we can do that. Okay. And we need a proc, which is p1, p2 player, or p and q. Let's say p and q seems fine. And we'll do something like that. And we'll go, we return a int, right, sure. I guess we just minus like q.money, p.money, something like that. And then we want to, we'll just start with a format print line or printf line. And this will be the player that won, how much money they had. Is that F? No, it's an integer. And then how much they won by. So that'll be player. So we can go winner equals p dot players 0, and we can go winner dot id, winner dot money, and then fuck off, winner dot money minus p dot players, no, not p, state 1 dot money, something like that. Okay. Oh, right, and we don't have sort, undeclared name sort. Okay, so we want to import, is it in core? Yeah, core sort, something like that. Okay, undeclared name p, yes, you're very correct. Okay, player 1 with 523, and they won by 168. That seems reasonable. So that's 460, 415, 68. Yeah, that's right. Okay, okay, that looks good. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to clean up some of this other printing. So let's try to get that context logger working. So we'll go context.logger. I need to see an example. Oh, there's that guy that's written that blog who also wrote that book, whatever his name is, Introduction to Odin Programming Language. This guy. Yeah, this guy. This one. It's probably easier just to context logger. Here we go. Okay, so now, yeah, something like this. This is pretty much what I want. Get rid of that. Okay, we can simplify that. That's fine. Okay, we can start by taking this and we'll edit it. So we don't need that. We can do that. This is like the file descriptor, and this is like the error. I guess flags, we can do this. Create. Truncate. Read write. Okay, and so we can get rid of this. I don't know why that's parenthesized. So we'll go if error, and actually no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to change that. It's this is if error. This is FD. And what's this? Create console logger. No, I kind of don't want to do that. I just want to go if error equals os.error none. Then I kind of just want to go context.logger equals log.createFileLogger FD. Yeah, like that. And here we need, fine, defer if, see, the thing is, error can change. I don't think Odin has, like, Go has, what do you call them? Closures. Go has closures. So I think in Go, if you do a defer like this, the error value here will be used here. But I think in Odin, it's just whatever error happens to be at the end of the... It's fine. We'll do it. Defer if error do os.close FD. I wonder... Let's start with this. So what do we need? We need log and we need os. So import core, I presume, import core OS, something like that. Non-Boolean condition. Yes. Tempted to play round 5 when schedule only supports 4 rounds. Yikes. So I guess play game. Is this just 1 round? It is. Oh, 1 game. Okay, so play game doesn't reset up the game. Okay.